Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to explore semantic versioning, often referred to as SemVer, in the context of NPM, the Node Package Manager. We'll break down what those version numbers mean and how NPM uses them to manage updates to your project's dependencies. A typical version number might look something like 1.2.3. Understanding these numbers is crucial for managing your project's dependencies effectively. So, what exactly is semantic versioning? Simply put, it's a versioning scheme that uses three numbers to convey meaning about the changes in your code. These numbers tell you at a glance the type of changes that have been made. The format for semantic versioning is MAJOR.MINOR.PATCH. Let's break down what each of these numbers represents. For example, let us consider the version number 2.4.1. The first number, 2, is the major version. The second number, 4, is the minor version, and the third number, 1, is the patch version. Each of these numbers is increment based on the type of changes introduced in the new release. Now let's understand when we increment each of these version numbers. Firstly, the major version is increment when you make breaking changes that make the old code incompatible with the new version. Secondly, the minor version is increment when you add new features in a backward-compatible way. Thirdly, the patch version is increment when you make bug fixes and small improvements without breaking existing functionality. NPM uses version ranges to allow flexibility in dependency updates. Let's look at some common version ranges. The caret symbol, represented as a hat symbol, before a version number like caret 1.2.3, indicates compatibility with the version. This allows minor and patch updates. The tilde symbol before a version number, such as tilde 1.2.3, indicates approximately equivalent and allows only patch updates. In your project's Package.json file, dependencies are declared with specific version ranges. Here's an example. The express dependency is declared with caret 4.18.2, lodash with tilde 4.17.21, and moment with 2.29.4. These declarations tell NPM which versions of these packages are allowed to be installed. When installing packages, you can specify version ranges directly in the install command. For example, npm install express at caret 4.18.0 installs express with a caret range, allowing minor updates. Secondly, npm install lodash at tilde 4.17.21 installs lodash with a tilde range, allowing only patch updates. Let's talk about some best practices for managing your NPM dependencies. Firstly, always commit the package.json file to ensure consistent installs across different environments. Secondly, prefer using the caret symbol for dependencies to automatically receive bug fixes and compatible updates. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.